create a video out of a narrated PowerPoint. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've created my PowerPoint and now I want to narrate. I can go here to slideshow and record slideshow. If you're on a PC, you might actually have a button at the top that says record. You want to do this within your PowerPoint, not from the Microsoft 365 because it doesn't work as well. But remember that you have free access to download Microsoft on your computer from Microsoft 365. Okay, so I'm going to go to record here, and you can say your slides, say what you want in your slides. Here you have this pause button if you want to pause, and you just go through your slides and add your narration to, or add your voice to your slides. If you need to pause, again, you can pause. And once you're done, just go here to end show. Now you can go back and play from start just to see if you are happy with everything. I'm just going to hit escape so I can get back out of there, and it's going to ask me to save. So I can save it as a PowerPoint. It'll save wherever you have your document saved. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make this a video by going to File and Export. So I'm going to export this as not a PDF. This was the default on my computer. I can export this as a MP4 or a MOV. MOV is for Apple, but MOV does work with Kaltura. So I'm just going to choose MP4 and see what happens. Now it asked me if I am using the recorded timings and narration. So yes, I want to make sure that box is checked. And I'm just going to go to export. Now it is exported on my desktop here. So I'm going to go to my media on my course. And if it's your first time going to my media, it'll ask you for access to Kaltura for your computer to give you access. So you will have to click authorize. I'm going to go to add new media upload here. And now I can actually, with this MP4, I should be able to drag this MP4 inside of the box there, or I can choose file to upload, and I can go to my desktop and I'll see that MP4 there, and open. It's going to take a second. Depending on how much you've recorded, it may take a while and you may need to walk away as it's uploading. So it says upload complete and then complete the required information. So you don't have to give a description, but I'm just gonna put in something. And then it says media page will be visible to the content owner only. That is when it's private. You can also publish it if it's something that you want in that course. But the first thing you have to do is to save it. So we're gonna save it, and it says media successfully set to private. If we want this to be able to be viewed in the course through the media gallery, then we need to go to published, and then you need to pick the course and publish it to that course. And then you can save it again. Now, you can do a few different things to put that into the assignment. So I'm just going to go to the assignment where I need to post. So in my course, it is the cultural project video, cultural portfolio. And I am just, since it's a discussion, I am going to reply to the discussion. So I'm going to hit this reply button. Then I'm going to click in this text box, and you'll see that there's this little kaleidoscope here of colors. This is the Kaltura media. So I'm going to hit this, and it's embed Kaltura media. It may take a second to load, and you'll see that my video is not fully loaded yet. These gears mean that it's still processing, so it's not fully processed. But you may still be able to just hit the embed button, and then once it is processed, so even though it's still being processed, you can still click that and then post reply, even though it is still processing.